Hello, girls and guys, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series Python coding on Jetson Nano. We are on lesson number 62 and I'm going to show you what? Tuple. Something called tuple. Alright, guys, we had seen bunches of examples of list in the previous videos, and now I'm going to start showing you some examples of what tuple is and how it works with example codes and stuff like that. Alright. So tuples are basically used to store multiple items in a single variable. All right. Tuple is one of those four built-in data types. One of them is list, which we saw in the previous videos, and tuple is basically used to store the collections of data, similar to list but slightly different. All right. The other three are list and set and dictionary. The set and dictionary, I'm going to talk about that in the next video. A list I already covered it. All right, so let's move on. Let me share my screen, and man, I think I need to log into my, hold on a second guys, I hope I'm able to log in. Right, I think the session is expired. I need to re-log into my Jetson Nano. Just give me a minute. I'll be right back. Alright, and what is my IP address? 192.168.1.44. I have to open up putty, and then I'm going to put my IP address, and then I'm going to change the font for the terminal so that you guys can see big and bold. All right, now let me just log in. My password, there you go. I have just logged into my system. Hope you guys can see my screen. All right. All right, we are set. All right, so let's do one thing, guys. Let's create a new file. We have used the list file sufficient amount of time. Now let's since we are moving into tuple, let's create a file called Python file called tuple. All right, how do we do that? Nano tuple.py. Some people call it as tuple, some people call it, I call it as tuple, some people call it tuple, any which ways, you can just call whatever you want. It's tuple. All right. Let me give you an example. Say this tuple equals round bracket. Again, the tuples are again in a round bracket, guys, so remember that. Double quote, Tom, comma, double quote, Jerry, close with double quote, comma, and then say Apple. Okay, I'm going to close the bracket. Now print. How do you print this tuple? It's a very simple thing. It's exactly the same way how you create a list. Right, now let's see what happens. Let me save it. Control O, enter, Control X to exit and get into the terminal. Let's run this file. Python 3 dot tuple.py. What was not found? I just created the file. Why is that? Tuple, tuple, tuple.py, Python 3. I did save it, guys. Let's see. Didn't I save it? One second. Nano tuple.py. Okay, this tuple equals, alright, syntax seems to be fine. Print this tuple, seems to be perfect. Let me see, Control O, enter, Control X, Python 3, tuple.py. I'm sorry, the command line which I gave was wrong. Python 3.tuple.py is wrong. Sorry guys, it's my mistake. Alright, there you go. So Tom, Jerry, Apple in a bracket. Can you see the difference in a bracket? It's same like the list, but it's little bit different. But I'm going to show you some more examples of tuple or tuple, whatever you call it as, and I'm going to show you what exactly it does. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and do please subscribe to this channel and leave a comment and give a thumbs up. I'm going to get back to you soon in the next video. Bye bye.